Hello guys, look at the NBA town here, and today
We're making cookies. Not just any cookies, but Papa's cookies. We just like to call it that because my dad loves to eat them. So that's why. So these are the ingredients. We have peanut butter. I like to use nuts though. Then we have milk. Don't touch it. Flax seeds, oatmeal, all-purpose flour, dates, raisins and chocolates, baking soda, baking powder, salt. And last but not least, cashews and other nuts. So first you're going to add all your dry ingredients. I'm just going to add these first. Okay, now oatmeal. You're gonna need 1 cup of oatmeal. Okay, now cashews. We have some cashews, and then we have almonds, and then what else do we have? And we have pumpkin seeds. And yes, some peanuts. Okay, so flax seeds. Okay, and then raisins and chocolate. Oh, yes, and the flour. I thought there was milk. You're gonna need 1 cup or 8 ounces of flour. Then mix. While eating a cookie that you got for Christmas, that is a very important thing. You have to eat a Christmas. No, you don't. You don't have to eat a Christmas cookie. But I want to. So I have my mixture here. So now we're gonna add the liquid. And so now we have some milk. Just cleaning up. Dates. Then peanut butter / nutso. No. Mix, agitate, stir, whatever you like to call it. No. So after a while, it looks like this. And, also, you have to add 1 cup of milk. I forgot to say how much milk you're supposed to add. So 1 cup is how much milk you can use. If it's too hard, not hard, but like this. If it's too like this, you can add some more milk. So now we're gonna use this, and we're gonna pour it in here. So you're gonna use some parchment paper, and then you're gonna just scoop out the biggest lump that you can, and you just on the parchment paper. I have an idea. It's a genius idea. Okay, so I just set that, and then does it work? And then you just scoop out whatever's left. Oh yeah, I totally flatted it. It looks like this. So it's gonna be in the oven at 350 heat for 20 minutes. And also you can eat this because it doesn't have eggs in the oven. Okay, so I put it in the oven. Now we wait 20 minutes. So it's been 20 minutes and it has cooled. Don't do that, it could break. So now I'm going to cut it. I'm just gonna cut a little piece. Make sure that there's chocolate in it because who doesn't like chocolate? Okay, now time to scoop it out. It's really good. Okay, like, subscribe, share, and psych out. It's time for the video.